going to be reviewing another waterproof mascara, and today this is the one from Covergirl and it's called Exhibitionist, and of course I'm doing the waterproof version. Formula just works best for me with my short straight lashes, helps keep a curl too. I will be doing the demo of this mascara. The reason I was so excited about this mascara is because the wand looks extremely similar to one from L'Oreal Lash Paradise and the one from Too Faced, the Better Than Sex mascara. So if you want to see the one from L'Oreal, the Lash Paradise one, I will leave a video where I did to get longer lashes for short straight lashes. That's the mascara I used in that video, so you can see how that performs. This is in the color Very Black. Again, is the Exhibitionist waterproof mascara. If you love waterproof, I will leave a playlist of all the ones that I have reviewed. The Exhibitionist volumizing mascara lashes are full and defined after only one coat. Our volumizing mascara formula glides smoothly onto lashes. Get soft lashes with no flaking or smudging. Show-stopping volume lashes are full and defined after one coat. Covergirl has amazing mascaras. My favorites have always been actually from Maybelline and from L'Oreal. I think they make amazing mascaras. And at the end, I will tell you my review after wearing it a full day. You do get 0.3 ounces for this. I'm going to show you the wand. If you are familiar with the Lash Paradise and the Better Than Sex, this is exactly how it looks. It's not the same brush, but it's extremely similar. It has the hourglass shape to it. Love, love, love this kind of brush. I'm going to curl the lash because, like I've mentioned in my other videos, if I don't curl these teeny weeny lashes, they will not, like, I don't care what kind of mascara it is, I will never have a curl, and I'll never be able to say that I like any mascara. So I have a nice curl going on there. Can you even see that? Alright, so let's go ahead and apply this. And this does have your typical mascara scent. So one coat, guys. I never do just one coat, but we'll see how it looks just with one. Not bad, right? And that's just one coat. There's no clumpiness or anything. We are gonna layer this up and see how dramatic can we get them. Second coat. Alright, that's 2 coats. Some are sticking together. I think it gives like a lot of volume, but the length is definitely there. So let me just go ahead and do this one really quickly, and we will also apply in the lower lashes to see how they look. So you can see the difference between one coat and two. It's not bad, but I've definitely tried some that are more like, wow. It depends what you're looking for. We're all looking for a different thing in lashes. I just like them to be like more volume, you know. I'm gonna apply to the lower lashes, even though you guys know I have my own lower lash mascara. I know not everybody applies in the bottom lash, but I always do. Right, so it's a really nice effect. It's a nice mascara. I don't expect a miracle either. My lashes are very tiny, so this is good. I definitely say it's not something like I will say, oh my god, you have to go get this right now. But it's good. I like how my lashes look. I feel so weird like without eyeliner. Did wear this for a full day and I barely got any transfer, like smudging or anything. It wasn't like I had raccoon eyes or anything like that. Like I tried the Maybelline one, you know, the yellow one, the spider lash, and whoa, that really gives you length and it's insane, but it transfers like crazy, and the waterproof version. Just feel very lightweight. I didn't feel any stinging, any itching, anything weird with this mascara. Let me know if you've tried this mascara. What are your thoughts? I will leave the rest of the mascara reviews right here for you to check, or be a playlist in the description of mascaras, also of falsies if you would like to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!